Ovulation period part 2. Today we are talking about the ovulation period for the regular period. In my part 3, we'll discuss the irregular period. Let's go. So I'm going to use the month of January and February because we are going to feature how you should know when you are ovulating and also why people see their period twice in a month. Let's go. Now this is January, this is February. So I'm going to start. So this is the calendar. So 23, 24, 25. This is our calendar for the month of January, which ends on 30. And this is our calendar for the month of February, which ends 28. For instance, you saw your period on the 1st of January. Period are meant to last 3 to 7 days, okay? So your period lasted here, second, third, let's say ended here, okay? Now, if you are the regular period, you either have 28 days cycle or 32 days cycle. It is constant. There's no changes. That's the regular period. Now, for you that have a 28-day cycle, your ovulation period is on the 14th. Now, let's go. Now, you saw your period here. It flowed here. It flowed third. It flowed fourth. Now, your ovulation period is on the 14th. It doesn't change. This is your ovulation period. This is when you're going to release an egg and anything happens, you might get pregnant, especially when you're ovulating. Now, what we now say is that because your egg is being released here, it might become here. So this place is unsafe. 12th is unsafe. 15th is unsafe. Maybe 16th is unsafe. But just know that on the 14th is your ovulation period. For those who don't want to get pregnant, just know from 12, 13, 14 being your peak of ovulation, 15, 16 are your unsafe period. For those people who want to get pregnant, these are the time you should knock. Do you get 32 days cycle? Your ovulation period is on the 16th. It is very constant. It doesn't change. So what that means is that if you have sexual intercourse during this period, you will likely get pregnant. Now, if you don't want to get pregnant, you are going to leave, to this 16, you're going to leave 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are your unsafe period. Okay, just leave like 2 days prior and 2 days after, yeah? So these are your unsafe period. So this is your ovulation period. Now for the 28th, this is your ovulation period. So why do you see your period twice in a month? It happens mostly for those that have irregular period. For example, I'm going to go for the month of February. For example, you saw your period on the 1st for the irregular period, yeah? You saw your period on the 1st, and sometimes your period might be short. So now, first, you now saw it again on the 20th, yeah? Okay, because it's a short cycle. Now, you'll be assuming that you're seeing your period twice in a month. No, it's a regular cycle because it's a short. You are seeing it on the 20th again. You saw it on the 1st and you're seeing it on the 20th or you're seeing it on the 23rd again. It comes in as 2 periods. Next time you see your period twice in a month and it exceeds like 18 to 20 days, just know it's a normal period, okay? So my part 3, we are going to discuss ovulation period for the irregular bleeders.